Alright, this is gonna be an interesting job, maybe something simple, but let's say, so this iMac here had a physical damage. The LCD, the tape that I used was bad. It was bad quality tape. And actually under the heat, the tape sort of melted and screen just splat into the floor. So I'm not sure the extent of the damage to the screen, but that's the case. So what we're going to do, let's just empty all of this crap. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll have a look at it like that. We're not sure the extent of the damage to the connector, so the cable just literally came off there. There's only one cable in this one here too. Okay, let's go bring the LCD screen. Let's see how it will look when we put it all back, kind of. Okay. So LCD has a damage to the glass itself, which is fine by the user. There's a tiny little bit of damage, unfortunately, like here on the left top side. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, I'll never use that tape again for this kind of work or any application, any job that requires a lot of heat. Okay. This one feels a bit funny. Look like that one is broken. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead, get a power cord and turn it on, and let's see. Okay, power it on. Heard a ding, and we got a unfortunately not good. No glass, no picture. Okay. Okay. We're gonna put our finger there. Power it on. No picture yet. Okay. Okay. One more time. So the power, it looks okay, but there's no data. Oh, here we go, that's backlight. No? There's no backlight. Okay, it's currently off. I'll hold the data cable connection now. Okay, not good. So it's currently on, but we don't see anything on the screen. I'll see if I can use a flashlight to see anything on the screen at all. Yep. We see the login screen, but no backlight. We see a logo of the user, no backlight. Okay. So we can say the LCD connection is fine, but definitely a problem with the connector on the LCD. Looks okay too. Okay. So what do we do about this case? Power cable is out. So that's the issue there. Maybe just push it in a little bit and try one more time. Okay. Okay. Let's try the power again. Oh, we got a backlight now. Great. Sweet. Wonderful. Okay. We're back in business. I'll check the um, I'll check the camera, make sure camera works fine too. Okay, great. Alright, we'll log in. Okay. Okay, now we're logging in. Beautiful. Yeah. Oh, okay. Camera works fine too. Beautiful. Okay. All right. That's it. This problem is fixed. All right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.